This is a bit of a test video to see how we might do some sort of reaction videos to paid content. As you can see in the background here, we've got Solving the Money Problem on Patreon, so I personally pay him $7 a month to gain access to his videos. I'm thinking that maybe we'll be able to start doing something where we actually do a video like this each day to sort of basically recap on some of the Tesla news or some of the other content on the internet. I'll investigate how this paid content works if we do have something playing in the background like we do here that is actually a paid service. But yeah, definitely put a comment on if that's something you'd like to see us post under the Tesla Taxi brand name. teslataxi.com.au is our Tesla rental company, and we are thinking about possibly doing this via Twitter too if they have a paid video service soon, which seems to be on the cards. So yeah, definitely love to have some feedback if the paid video service through Twitter kind of replaces this whole Patreon system. In my opinion, that'd be great. So probably for what we would do would be post maybe the first 80% of the video for free to YouTube, but if you want to watch the full video, you pay $1 on Twitter to unlock the full video if we've got anything interesting to say that week. So yeah, by all means let us know in the comments if that's the sort of content that may be of interest to you. I'll probably put this on my LinkedIn and see if anyone has any feedback to give me about that general concept. teslataxi.com.au, or to find me on Patreon, just search my name. Sorry, excuse me, not on Patreon, I don't have a Patreon account. To find me on LinkedIn, just search my name, Millin-AVP, and I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland. So yeah, definitely love to hear from you. By all means, connect with me online, send me a message, post a comment here, and let us know if you know, the occasional $1 video on Twitter, if we have some interesting stuff about Tesla self-driving or charging or whatever it might be in Australia as content that would interest you. Thank you.